Siddharth, great to have you today on the show. Lakshmikant, we'll let you go on that note as well. Just winding up for the week, and let's take stock of how over the week the markets have panned out and where is it that we're shutting shop. For today, of course, we've managed to eke out good gains for ourselves amidst all the global weakness which is transpiring, and it's a little bit scary how the Wall Street futures are currently as we speak right now. But for us, of course, we've managed to cling on and build on to that 24,000 mark, closing in with a solid 200-point gain, 24,300 for the Nifty futures. And time and again, we've seen the market or the index test that 24K mark through this week, but we are managing to close in at the high point of the week. For today, it's been technology and banks which have really led and contributed maximum to today's move. So TechM, Kotak Bank, Geo Financials, TCS, HCL Technologies, Reliance Industries, Axis, ICICI Bank, they've all been the steady movers. The breadth of the market couldn't quite recover even towards the fag end. Power India, Nalco, GVT&D, Polycap, Patanjali were all drags. But on the flip side, there were gains for an Exide, for a Bharat Forge, for a Kalyan Jewellers, and then Federal Bank, which has got to be the top performer today with a near about 6.5% up move and a tad above that. Kalyan Jewellers, of course, has been the star through this week. Another 4.6% added along with it in today's session as well.
Well, yes, earnings, of course, in focus now. Firmly, we're into the earnings season. 7% move on Federal Bank on the back of numbers. Global Spirits down 6% on the back of numbers. JSW Steel, extremely strong set of numbers. Stock perked up 1% or thereabouts. Havells, weak numbers, 1.5% lower on Havells. Central Bank also came out with numbers, 3% lower on Central Bank on the back of the numbers that have come through. Outside of that, you again got some earnings which came to us overnight, and CEAT was the big mover there, and the top loser on the Nifty 500 index, 7.25% lower. WeWork, we spoke with management as well, 7% lower on that one. As a result of the knock on CEAT, you saw JK and Balakrishna also fall. You saw 3.5 to 4% in terms of the knock on both of those stocks. Piramal Finance was the other one, 2.5% lower despite a very good set of numbers. So you got some decent tilt in terms of the numbers, but not exactly the best reaction. Tech Mahindra was the top performer here, 4% higher, and it took and carried with it the entire IT index. 4% higher on Tech Mahindra, nearly 2% higher on the IT index itself. GeoFin was the other one, 3% higher, and 361, again, decent set of numbers, 2.8 odd % in terms of the move on GeoFin. But with that, completely timed out on this edition of Closing Trades from Aisha, myself, everyone who puts this show together. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you have a happening weekend. It's a long one, both from a markets perspective, but also from Odyssey as well as the FIFA World Cup. Have a good one.